So my name is Eli. My wife Fawn and I started a YouTube channel called RV East Coast.
We just got a RV last summer. RV East Coast is a website and a YouTube channel that we started to document and chronicle our life RVing. Well, I was a little reluctant to get into the whole camping, RVing. I kind of thought that it would be something that we did a couple weekends and then it kind of got tiring and maybe we stopped doing it. And then we were just paying all this money to have this big trailer. And but after we got going, I realized how much I really enjoyed doing this. We had a great year. We probably visited 12 different sites in our first summer RVing, and our kids loved it.
I quickly became pretty obsessed with the trailer. My wife will probably agree with that. But I think it's okay because I could have many hobbies. I could be into motorcycles, I could be into sports, going to every game with my friends. But RVing is about being with the family, and that's what I like the most. You are together in a very small space. I mean, a trailer, it has all the amenities that you need, but it's a very small space. So there is that sense of closeness, of intimacy when you are in the campground, and that's another thing that I just enjoy very much.
There's just such a vibe at the campground of friendliness and community. You know, you walk your dog, everybody there is enjoying the same things you are, time with their family. At home, you don't sit by the fire and cuddle up with the blanket outside, but at the campground, you do that every night. You cuddle up with your kids. It really is like such a comfortable atmosphere. So I am what they call indoorsy. I don't really enjoy any animal or bug in nature. I am deathly afraid of frogs and snakes, and I get made fun of a lot because of my phobia. So I'm not always suited for the campground life.